Hey there, are you tired of seeing those pesky error encountered or Windows update failed messages while trying to update your Windows 11 device? No worries, I've got you covered with some easy to follow solutions that will tackle any update errors on Windows 11. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Change Windows Update Service configuration. To get started, click on the search icon and type in CMD. Next, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, and click on Yes. Then type in sc space config space WUAUSERV space start equals auto and hit enter. Follow that by typing sc space config space crypt svc space start equals auto and press enter. After that, type in sc space config space bits space start equals auto and press enter. Then type in sc space config space trusted installer space start equals auto and hit enter. Don't worry, you can find these commands in the video description below. Once you're done, restart your computer and check if that solves the issue. Solution 2. Restart Windows Update Service. First up, click on the search icon and type in PowerShell. Then right-click on Windows PowerShell, choose Run as Administrator and click on Yes. Now type in net space stop space WUAUSERV and press enter. After that, type net space stop space bits and hit enter. Then type in net space stop space MSI server and press enter. Next, type net space stop space DOSVC and press enter. Moving on, type in net space start space WUAUSERV and press enter. Then type net space start space bits and hit enter. After that, type net space start space MSI server and hit enter. Lastly, type in net space start space DOSVC and hit enter. Don't worry, you can find these commands in the video description below. Now, check to see if that did the trick for you. Solution 3. Repair Windows System Files. To begin, click on the Windows search icon and type in CMD. Then right-click on Command Prompt from the search results, select Run as Administrator and click on Yes. Now in this window, type in sfc /scan now and hit enter. After that, type in dism/online cleanup-image /check health and press the enter key. Next, type dism/online cleanup-image /scan health and press enter. Then type in dism/online cleanup-image /restore health and hit enter. Don't worry, you can copy these commands from the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer and after your computer turns on, these issues should be gone. So that's how you fix the update failed or error encountered issues when updating your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.